How to play Helldivers 2 with the controller. Helldivers 2, the highly anticipated sequel to the acclaimed cooperative top-down shooter, has taken the gaming world by storm. Featuring intense battles, challenging missions, relentless enemies, players are once again immersed in the chaotic universe of the strategic warfare. Whether you are a seasoned veteran or a fresh recruit, mastering the best controller settings and tips can determine the outcome on the battlefield. Helldivers 2 supports most controllers on the market, offering a variety of the options in its settings, including its sensitivity adjustments and key bindings customization. While using a controller may provide better directional control with an analog stick compared to WASD, we recommend using a keyboard and a mouse for the optimal gameplay on the PC. So guiding you on how to play Helldivers 2 with your controller, it's really important to carefully follow the steps for a smooth setup. Firstly, make sure that your controller can be connected to your PC and recognized properly. Launch the game through the Steam to seamlessly set up the controller. Steam input feature will configure the controller automatically when the game is launched through the Steam. After launching the Helldivers through the Steam, connect your controller to the PC, right-click on the game, go to Properties, and ensure that the Steam input is enabled for all the types of the controller. Access the controller configurator to explore more options and customize the layout. Click on the controller configurator to view support information, layout, and customizable options. Choose from the recommended templates or create your own custom layout. Steam input will adjust all the button bindings automatically and return to the game to see the successfully configured controller inputs. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful in setting up and playing Helldivers 2 with the controller. If you found this video to be useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.